A lot of people are suffering financially today. They are working hard, but the money is not coming. They are doing business, but customers are not coming. Something must be blocking their financial progress. So if you are the kind of person that money is not coming to you, money is actually your problem, right? This video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you something powerful. Money so that you can actually prepare yourself. You don't need any spiritualist to do this. You can actually prepare this particular powerful money soap at home. I bet you any financial blockage in your life, anything that is blocking you, any barrier standing between you and finance will be over if you use this soap to bath. For this soap to work for you, this soap must be prepared correctly. The wrong ingredients will give you nothing. So watch this video carefully and watch this video to the end so that you will not miss important part. Don't skip any part of this video so that this will work for you. I had the gift of Seer. That's why people call me the Seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, about the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Today, as I've said, I'm going to show you something powerful. Money soap that you can prepare yourself at home. That when you use this soap to bath, believe me, every financial blockage you have will be over. Every obstacles are gone. Every spiritual barrier standing between you and money will be gone. I believe you must have heard of money soap, right? A lot of people have been talking about money soap. They are selling those ones. They are selling some online. Even those ones, most of those ones you are buying online are fake. It's not because of they really want to cheat you, but some of those things, right? They have days for it. They have the right ingredients for it, and they have the right prayers for this. So some of the soaps I used to see online, people are selling. Some of them are not done the right day, and that affects the powers of that soap. So in this video, I'm going to teach you, give you the right ingredients, how to prepare original money soap at home, no spiritual needed. I'm going to give you the right ingredients, and I'm going to give you the right day to do it and the right ways to use, which are the incantations when preparing this soap. Remember, incantations matters. Our forefathers that used to do incantation before they do some of all those things. You notice that those things they used to do then works. But you see, this generation, we believe that incantation does not matter, and that is why some of those prayers we are doing does not work. The universe responds to rhymes. Browse it, you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to show you in this video the right ingredients you are supposed to use, the right words, and the right day you are supposed to do that. And before I show you this right ingredients, how to prepare soap, I want you to understand something. Money soap is not just a soap, it is a spiritual tool. It works on your heart, your body, and every money passing through you when you wash your body with this. See, but before you prepare it, first of all, we advise you that you do some spiritual cleansing before you prepare this particular soap. How do you do it? Particular cleansing? Get egg, put on the egg that any negative energy in your body, this is what you use to remove it. They use the egg to touch your body from the head to toe, or better still, pray on the egg, use it to ride your head anti-clockwise, not clockwise, 7 times. Then go and break that egg on a Joshua. Black soap, any kind of black soap you can get. If here you are, you cannot get black soap, you can try make use of any soap of your choice, but black soap is what we are taught with. You need black soap. Then you need the orange pea, get as many as you can. Then you need the bitter leaf, 21 bitter leaf, the one without defect. Then you need the onion pea, and the last thing you need the chameleon. So those are the 5 items you need for this particular powerful money soap. Now, bitter leaf, you are going to need 21 bitter leaf. When you are selecting this bitter leaf, select the ones that does not have holes. Select 21 bitter leaf, the ones that does not have hole, that is still complete. So those ones that have hole, they are no longer complete. So you are going to need 21 bitter leaves. Black soap, 21 bitter leaves. You are going to need onion pea. Get as much as you can. That black dried skin of onion that's used to fall off where you keep your onions, you are going to need them. Gather as many as you can. You are going to need it. Then you are going to need orange pea. You are going to need orange peel, which is the fourth item. Then you are going to need chameleon. Okay, if where you are, any part of the country you are toward the need chameleon, you cannot get it there, let me know. I can shift it for you and you'll get it live and direct. Okay, anywhere in the world I can ship for you, but those ones you can actually get this one in the spiritual shop. For those one in Nigeria and Africa countries, you can actually locate this in the spiritual shop. Okay, that is the fifth item. Now let me explain how these ingredients work. See, you see bitter leaf, right? Bitter leaf has this power to remove anything negative energy. That is why most of those people that they are experiencing setback, maybe as a result of family problem or there are some causes following them, when they normally bath with bitter leaf. So bitter leaf helps to remove anything blockage. Then you see the orange peel on its own. Orange peel has this power to absorb your spoken words. That's some of those things we prepare that has to do with granting of wishes. Orange peel is there. Orange peel helps with favor, and orange peel helps with wish granting. Like he absorb word and grant wishes. That is orange peel for you, not favor. Sorry. Then you see the onions. You see the orange peel on its own. Orange peel has the power of drawing favor. Has the power of drawing good luck. Favor, good luck, blessing. That is orange peel for you. That's why sometimes I always advise people soak orange peel in the water and be using it to bath. Whatever you do, it brings customer for you. It draws favor. That's orange peel. Orange peel draws favor. Then you see chameleon in the home. Chameleon is an animal that most of all those soaps you see, even those when you spend money, a huge amount of money to buy online, chameleon is them. Chameleon does not know how to say no. It always wear the color that is in its environment. That's the characteristic. The chameleon does not know how to say no to the color in its environment. So as a result, all those items that have gathered here, chameleon will put them to life. It's just like the journey force of those items are breaking, and it helps to also draw money to you. So money will not know how to say no to you. Anywhere money is supposed to come to you, that there should be no blockage. That's joined with the bitter leaf. Okay, that is what makes all those particular items work. Okay, now after you have gotten those items, those 5 items I have mentioned, on a Friday night, which is very, very important, do this on a Friday. You can't do it any other day. For it to be 101% effective, it has to be done on Friday. On a Friday night, right? Get your mortar. Okay, get your mortar, put the soap, break the soap you want to use, break it inside the mortar, then add the chameleon to it, then add the bitter leaf, 21 bitter leaf to it, then add the onions to it, then add the orange peel to it. Okay, so you add all those ingredients I have mentioned earlier, you add it to it, then you pound everything. You are not to burn it, you are going to pound everything very well. While pounding all those items, you will say, I keep using this soap. If you are doing it for someone, you see anybody that will use this soap, a chameleon does not know how to say no. It must wear the color that is in its environment. So as a result, I speak these words. Anybody that will use this soap, money will not say no. People will not say no to them. Money will come to them. Opportunity will come to them. Jobs will come to them. While padding that boom, you keep repeating these words. You keep saying these prayers. Your spoken words matter, and it has to be done on Friday. So from today henceforth, anybody that is using this soap, the person will walk like an ant and eat like an elephant. Money should come to this person freely, easily, and effortlessly. Why pardon? Money should come to this person freely, easily, and effortlessly. Let the padding rhymes with your spoken words when pardoning. So you powder everything together. After you have powdered everything together, then the person that should be using this soap should be using it morning and night. I bet you within 7 days you must see the changes. So this will remove any barrier, anything that is causing blockage between you and money, anything that is making you to get what you want. So as you keep using this soap, now this is the sign you are going to notice that this soap is actually working for you. 1, you notice that some people that have forgotten about you will remember you, especially that has to do with business. 2, you notice that Any little thing you do, you just see that money will just fill your hand, like you will have a lot of money. 3, you notice that the way you spend unnecessary before will reduce. Like money will stay more with you rather than maybe if money just enter your hand before you know that money is gone. And maybe money enter your hand, unnecessary expenses will be coming that will take that money from your hand. You notice that there will be changes on that. And when you keep doing this, even from your dream, you notice that if you are the kind of person you always see yourself in secondary school, the former compound you have been before, you notice that that dream will no longer be there. So you use it money at night. As you keep using this money at night, anything at all that will stop your progress, that thing will never be able to get to you. That thing will never be able to get to you. That is how this particular soap works. Tested and trusted. Try this soap and get back to me. I'm telling you, this is one of the most powerful soap you have ever seen on the internet. I gave you the right ingredients 100%. I gave you the right day to do it 100%. I also gave you the right words, which are the incantation 100%. If you find this video helpful, all I'm asking from you is like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I want you to type on the comment section, this soap is for me. See you guys in the next video. The Seer always care. Who they Zuzu? Your happiness is actually my cosine.